We have been discriminated against and brought down by the same people that look like fucking us. By the same people that look like us. No, I will not call this fucking establishment name because me not bring down them business. And as a businesswoman, because I tell myself, so I go back there and I go give them another chance. I went to a certain place the other day, a few weeks ago. I went to a spa. I will not call the name. And when I went to the spa, I was discriminated against. But I'm going to tell you guys how. I basically wore a leggings set. As I always say to you guys, I don't like short clothes. I don't wear batty riders. It's just the truth. I don't wear certain things, go out in public because my thighs are thick. I have cellulite as a thick girl. I've always have cellulite. I don't like to wear short clothes like that. I don't feel comfortable wearing short clothes, so I don't wear it. I always try to buy long stuff. As no me tattoo, no me I wear long skirt. Me not try to wear certain things good. So if anything, I wear one tight suit or one legging suit or whatever it is. I could remember I wear, I think, a tight suit, right? I wasn't naked or anything, you know. None of my skin not sure. But, you know, me thick. But what the fuck you want me to wear? Even as a thick girl, like, what do you want me to really wear? You want me to wear one big bra or something? Anyways, I go there and do my feet. I go there for do my feet. When I arrive, remember, I call this place before I actually reach. So when I fucking arrive at this fucking spa now, I was like, hi, good day. I was told that spots are available to do my feet. I would like to do my feet. And, you know, like, I would like to do my feet and whatever. At the front desk, they were like, oh, who told you that? I was like, they were acting like I was lying or something like that. You know, like, they was acting like they didn't want. So I said, I already called here and you told me to come here. They was like, oh, nobody isn't available. I said, no, you guys told me I could come here. I drive from so far. I come here and you guys told me I could come here. And next lady was like, you know what? Yeah, let her get a space or whatever it is. And I was like, oh, this was my first red flag. Anyways, I didn't really say anything at all. I just sat there and I calm and, you know, anyways, whatever. I basically was called up. No, I went up to their pedicure section. You know, I went to the pedicure section and did my pedicure. And, you know, after my pedicure, I came downstairs to now pay the bill. Now, when I was paying the bill, this bitch, and I'm gonna call her a bitch because that's what the fuck you are. And you're probably even up on a live and watch, but I'm not gonna call her name because I'm not bringing her on a business place, but that's show no how fatphobic and how discriminative Jamaica is against curvy women and thicker women. Is like, she came around to me and instead of complimenting me, she said to me that you look good, but you could have worn a dress. That is what the bitch said to me. And I said, am I not dressed properly? I said, am I against your dress code? I was in a fucking leggings and a fucking top. A tank top is fucking summer, bitch. Like, what the fuck do you want me to wear? You could have worn a dress or something. You're so sexy. Everybody's looking at you. That was what the fucking female said to me in this fucking place after spending nearly $5,000 for a fucking pedicure in fucking Jamaica. No, like nigga. Let me tell you fucking this, you know. I spend my blood clot money when I go places, and I'm wanting them to understand blood clot this. I'm not dibby blood clot girl. When I go to people's store, I buy what I fucking want. I just spend small change at people's place. And it's not even about that, but I don't go to people's place to disrespect them. I always polite. I don't make loud nice. I don't go to people's place to behave like a skittle. I don't wear G-string. I don't wear certain clothes. I'm telling you already, I don't wear certain clothes. The lady say everybody in the place. Somebody said the name in the comment section, like them experienced that at the place. It's like on a know, so it's something where they bitch them up there do. Somebody said the name, but me now go say it out of my mouth, but this is somebody comment a name and they said the pipe is given. Yes. It look like say some of them always do. Right? The woman look for me and said to blood clot, me say, everybody in the place I look for me, everybody I look for me. And if me could have dressed in a one dress, I make everybody I look for me and them something there. I mean, just smile it off. You know, as bad as how I feel, I just smile. I just, you know, like, I just smile and say, you know, am I not in clothes, you know? And she was like, no, you could have worn a dress. And I just smile, knowing the monster that is in me. I know I'm going to tell that woman, yeah, to go suck her mother. I just happily take the something and walk out with a smile. I may never come to TikTok. I may never talk about it. And this is like 2 months ago. And I never spoke on it. And I felt so fucking bad. Deep down inside. Deep down inside, I felt bad. And I still will not call this name. I see people commenting the name and saying that it's like it's that place. But I will not say it out of my mouth. That is how most of these people treat you in Jamaica. You wear a jeans pants because your body big. Me never ask God to make me, you know. I did not ask God to make me. I saw my born, my body, my granny look the same way. My auntie them have the same shape. Me never asked God to make me. I did not ask God for that. I never asked God for that. Girl, you should have blasted them the same way. Because I know how people are on TikTok and I'm always a cuss. I actually kept it to myself. I kept it to myself because I know how people are towards me on the internet. I did not want to come to the internet to talk about that. And up until this day, I will never ever even call the name. I see people call the name because I look like say it's regular. They do these things to black women. And this is a black woman that said to me, is that a white woman or a black woman, this has said to me. Knowing how our body steer. And then sometimes people say to me, say, I'm supposed to advocate for a woman. I'm supposed to try with women. I look how a woman tear me down. For the person in the comment section talking about dress code, please listen. It has nothing to do with dress code. Me never say nothing about a dress code.